Welcome to your virtual video tour of Regency Condominiums, Unit 102. You're welcomed into the foyer with a bright, sunny space, convenient half bath directly off of the entry, great for guests. Fresh paint, make this space nice and clean. Continuing on into the condo, on your left is the kitchen. It has some newer appliances, although the fridge is a little older. It has a natural stone countertop, gray painted cabinets with stainless steel or rather brushed satin finish nickel handles. The kitchen looks over the great room with dining space and living room. Plenty of seating. In the living room, there's a cozy fireplace. In the corner, large space with nice wood flooring. Dining room. Table for 6 and then 4 bar stools. There's also a wet bar with storage. Continuing out of the living room and back into the hallway, we'll go into the master suite, which is conveniently located on the first floor of this condo. Very large space, beautiful floors continue in here. Nice big king size bed, and this unit is offered fully furnished. We'll walk around so you can see the full layout of the room here. Again, fresh paint gives this room a relaxing, cool, and clean feel. The ensuite bath is separated with this single vanity outside, across from the walk-in closet. And then the toilet and shower, combination tub shower, are in this enclosed room. Nice and clean, rarely used unit, mostly a second home. Closet provides ample storage. And back to a look at the bedroom. All right, let's go upstairs and look at the other 2 bedrooms and the guest bath. You can see it's a great view from this landing. Beautiful tall ceilings. The vault just really makes this room feel very open and spacious. Very bright. The upstairs is carpeted except for the bathroom, which does have tile. Again, you have a combination tub shower. Single vanity here. Nice bright transom windows. All right, we have 2 guest rooms here. One with a bunk bed set up. Looks like a queen on the bottom with a twin on the top. So you could sleep 3 in here. And the next room has a king size bed. So again, 2 or possibly 3 people could sleep in here. Both guest rooms are nice size. All right, and going back downstairs, each room does have a closet. I'd call this a standard closet, not a walk-in closet. And then back downstairs. Again, see those sweeping views. All right, so let's take a look at the laundry room. Right here off the stairs, convenient to the master. You've got full-size washer and dryer. There are shelves in here and back around this corner also. So a nice size utility room, really spacious in here. Okay. And here is the water heater and the air conditioning handler. And of course we can't forget the kitchen pantry. All right, that's pretty much the inside of the condo. Once again, here's the kitchen. Plenty of counter and cabinet space. And we'll go outside and take a look at the cute patio area. You got blinds built into these doors, which is great. No need to clean, and they are adjustable here with a slider for privacy or light. Outside, here we are. Recently had a little bit of rainfall, so we've got some standing water in the back common areas, but normally this is just lawn area. You've got plenty of space here for seating. There is an outdoor spigot for watering plants. It's very quiet in this community. All right, well that completes your tour of Regency, Unit 102. For further information, please contact me or your favorite realtor.